Yeah. Greece, isn't it? Yeah, that's right.
Gentlemen, welcome to Dublin, where the local time is coming up to 10:30. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign. Do not turn on your mobile phones until the aircraft doors have been opened, and please remember to check the overhead bins and the seat pockets in front of you for all your personal belongings. Do take care when opening the overhead bins in case anything may have become displaced during the flight and could fall out and cause injury to you or fellow passengers. On behalf of the captain, Enda Gallagher, and all the crew, we'd like to thank you for flying with Aer Lingus today. It has been our pleasure looking after you, and we look forward to welcoming you on board again very soon. Passengers travelling onwards to Cork have been advised to go to the arrivals desk opposite baggage belt number 6, where information regarding their transportation to Cork will be available. That is in the arrivals desk opposite baggage belt number 6. Slán agus Banna Glycol goodbye and a safe onward journey to you all. We also like to take this opportunity to apologise for the passengers travelling on to Cork, and we hope it hasn't inconvenienced you too much.
No.